Now today we will be starting our chapter 7, our country, that is India. India is like this. On the north and the northeastern side we have the Great Himalayas, lofty Great Himalayas. In the western side we have Arabian Sea. In the southern side we have Indian Ocean. We have Bay of Bengal in the southeastern side. And this is the area which is surrounded by water bodies on its three sides, and it is called peninsula. The water body, the land body that is surrounded by water on its three sides. On the western side we have the Thar Desert. This is the Deccan Plateau. Tropic of Cancer, which is 23.5 degree north, divides this country into two equal halves. Nearly two equal halves, not exactly, it's nearly two equal halves. Extends from 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north latitudes, this extension. And from this is it. From 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minutes east longitudes. Okay, so now our next topic is the neighbors of India. We have India like this. We have Nepal here, Bhutan here, Myanmar on the northeastern side. We have Tibet here, which is administered by China. We have China here. We have Afghanistan on the northwestern side, and we have Pakistan. And in the down south we have Sri Lanka. Arabian Sea on the western side, eastern side Bay of Bengal, southern side Indian Ocean. We have the Himalayas here. These are the Himalayas: Great Himalayas, Middle Himalayas, Shivaliks. They are also called, the Middle Himalayas are also called Dhauladhas. We have the Great Indian Plain here, that is the Thar Desert. We have the Run of Kutch here. Run of Kutch. We have the Deccan Plateau here. These are the Eastern Ghats. These are the Western Ghats. We have the Western Coastal Plain. Here the Western Coastal Plains. They are the Eastern Coastal Plains. We have these are the Great Plains of Indo-Gangetic Plains. Gangetic Plains. Here we have Brahmaputra Plains, because the river Brahmaputra flows through this. This is Gulf of Kutch. Gulf is known as the penetration of water between two water bodies, between two land masses. Gulf of Kutch. This is the Gulf of Khambat, the Gulf of Cambay. Here we have Lakshadweep Islands that are part of islands. Here we have Andaman and Nicobar Islands. These are the Himalayas. These are the Great Himalayas. Himalayas start from Naga Parvat to Namcha Parva. Great Himalayas. Or Himadris. These are called the Middle Himalayas or Dhauladhars. Lesser Himalayas or Shivaliks. They are dissected. The Shivaliks are dissected from here. From Mahabharat Hills or Shivaliks. Now the next relief feature is Northern Indian Plain. They extend from here to here to here. These are also northern plains. They are made by deposition of sediments by Ganga, Brahmaputra and Indus. They are fertile soil, good for agriculture. Fertile alluvial soil, good for agriculture. In the western part there lies Great Indian Desert. It is also known as Marusthali. To the south lies peninsula like this. This is the peninsula. It is surrounded by three water bodies. It is surrounded by water bodies on its three sides. Okay. These are the western ghats that are also known as Sayadris. And on the eastern side, eastern ghats. Central uplands, Vindhyachal ranges are there, which divides the plains and the Deccan Plateau, Vindhyachal ranges, and Satpura ranges. These are the western coastal plain between the western ghats and the coast. Extends from Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala. And these are the eastern coastal plains between the Bay of Bengal and the eastern ghats. The major rivers which flows towards the eastern coastal plain are Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. And to the western coastal plains They are Narmada and Tapi. Now coming to the islands, Andaman and Nicobar. They have coral reefs. Coral reefs. So here we have our chapter 7. Thank you.